Hey guys, welcome back to the video. I hope you all are doing great. Now I know it has been a long time since I have not uploaded video. I really apologize for that. I'm really sorry for that. I had some exams to prepare for and few meetings and here and there I had to go. So really sorry for that. I apologize for that. But now I'm going to be regular. Many content are ready, so you will be getting it very soon. The series which I promised, the deep learning, machine learning, neural network series, are on the way. They're coming, so get ready for that. But today's video is a little unique. This video, I've not done these kind of videos before in my channel, so this is the first video that I'm doing, and I hope you guys will really like it. Make sure you comment down below if you did. I'm bringing more videos on like this in the future also. But today's video, as the title says, how the metaverse will help the programmers. Now, yeah, this whole metaverse concept, that's coming into the reality very soon. Many people are talking about it. Many people don't know what metaverse is. Many people are telling it's going to come very soon. So, this whole concept of this new thing is very unique to most of the people, and most of the people will be already knowing it, but few people will not be knowing it. So, the people who don't know, let me explain what this metaverse is. So, metaverse is basically a reality where you convert yourself into an alternate reality and you enjoy that you can't do it in your reality, the real reality. Like, you can't go to Mars right now, like, you can, like, launch the rocket and go, but right now you can't just walk on Mars, right? But in metaverse, you can do all those things. Like, if you want to fight with aliens, you can create a reality in metaverse and you can do all those things what you can't do it in this reality, in our world or in our reality. So this is basically what metaverse is. The biggest example I can give you is all the games like PUBG, BGMI, Fortnite, maybe other PlayStation games. All the games are the examples for this. Now the question that comes is, how is it going to help the programmers? Is it really going to help the programmers, the metaverse? Is it really helpful? And the answer is a big yes. So to create a metaverse reality or to create metaverse, you need many things. For example, you need the back end, you also need the front end, the designing, the maybe the characters that you want to design, and you have some buttons or any other things you need to connect those buttons. Those are all backends, and there is a huge role for the programmers, for the designers, and for all these animating people, the people who animate the stuff, who make all these 3D animations. So there is going to be a huge hand of all of these. But today I'll be talking about four important stuff that is important for the metaverse reality, which is going to help us programmers. So the four important things is, first of all, is virtual reality, that is VR. Now virtual reality, most of the people will be knowing it, but the people who don't know what this virtual reality is, basically you have a screen that is close to your eyes. Basically you're put a screen on your forehead or the head, and you'll be seeing the screen and you can experience the metaverse or that reality, the alternate reality. So that is what is basically virtual reality is. So virtual reality itself requires a lot of things. Backend, especially the backend, are programming languages like C, C++, Java. Java is also important for the JavaScript. So programmers are required for the virtual reality itself. Now the second that is most important is obviously augmented reality. Now this reality is, it is not physically there. Like, if for example, if I have to talk, if you have seen the Iron Man movie, where in Iron Man 2, Tony moves things with the help of his hand, like how we have done the AI mouse, virtual AI mouse. Similarly, he has a display that is floating in the air, and you can move things, you can shift all those things. That is basically what is augmented reality. Or the best example I can give you is Pokemon Go, if you've played. So with the help of your camera, you can place 3D things. Now new things are coming, like with the help of furniture, you can see how your furniture looks like in the 3D. So these things are basically augmented reality. And yes, in this also programmers are required, especially the javascript, Java programmers are definitely required for this. So programmers are required for the backend. So suppose there's an interface where the user wants to check how his object is looking like, and there are 2-3 buttons here and there which he has to click and place this object in a specific location. So that button, the action to that button, all those things, the backend, that button action should be put is the help of programmers. So there's a huge role for the programmers in augmented reality too. Now the third and the most important, and the one which we are already doing and will be doing very soon also, an advanced one, and that's going to be starting very soon. So I am excited for that, and I'm sure you guys are also excited for this. So what is this third one? Third one is obviously AI and artificial intelligence. Now artificial intelligence will play a major role in all these four things what I'm going to mention: in virtual reality, in augmented reality, and basically in all of them. Because having a virtual assistant in whatever we are going to do will definitely help, or maybe in assisting us, maybe in telling us what to do at what time, where to go, and the instructions, all those things. A virtual assistant can really help us. So if you have followed us from the beginning, we are doing a series of virtual assistant. That's just a basic one what we have done. We have done a virtual assistant similarly like Alexa, Google Assistant, but within few more days we'll be bringing a new series of deep learning, neural network, machine learning, which I mentioned in the beginning of this video. After that, we are going to do an advanced virtual assistant series where you will be totally doing it fully advanced, like just like Alexa. All your commands, all the programs, whatever you give, it's going to do it by itself. So you'll feel that advanced thingy. So if you have not subscribed the channel, make sure you subscribe, click the notification, stay tuned for it. We'll be bringing very soon. So you guys can also do this advanced virtual assistant series where you can create your own advanced virtual assistant. So that's what the future thing what we're going to do now. But coming back to the video about AI itself, the artificial intelligence, maybe not as a voice assistant, but definitely as a text assistant. There are many other assistants, there are text assistants, there are like picture programming assistants, many other things where you have assistants that will help you in any other field. So it's going to play a major role in Metaverse, because if you are going to have something like a robotic animation, for example, you have Jarvis itself as in Metaverse, you never know. You will require a virtual assistant for that, an AI. So that is the third most important thing. That's the most important thing in the Metaverse that's going to stay. And the last but not the least is going to be internet infrastructure. Now without the internet, none of these three are going to work. Not the virtual reality, nor the augmented reality, nor even the virtual assistant too. Even our basic virtual assistant what we have done, without the internet it's not going to run, right? So without the internet infrastructure, maybe it could be the blockchain, maybe it could be the cryptography, or many other things that's going to come in. Without the internet infrastructure, it's definitely not going to work. Without the Web3, the Web3 is going to come. People are telling Web3 is already started, it's going to come, it's going to be a reality. Now you must be wondering, what are you telling? Like, you're telling about Web3, you're telling about the cryptography, you're telling about blockchain. So don't worry, I'm bringing a specific video on this, where I'll be talking about blockchain, how blockchain works, and about this cryptography, cryptocurrency, NFT, and then about this whole infrastructure, the internet infrastructure, and Metaverse. Basically, what and all are there in this Metaverse? Web3, obviously. Web3 is going to be a major concept that I'm going to be covering very soon. So stay tuned for that. So in order to know when I'm bringing this video, subscribe and click the notification on, so you'll get to know very soon when it's going to come. So this is how internet infrastructure is required, maybe not just in metaverse, in whatever we are doing right now. Many startups, many cooperative things require internet infrastructure. Without internet infrastructure, it's highly impossible to do many things, right? So internet infrastructure is going to be a major concept that will be required in the metaverse reality, in the metaverse. So these are the four things that the programmers will be required to do. Even in internet infrastructure, if we programmers for the blockchain, to create the blockchain, all these things, programmers are definitely required. The major languages, the programming languages are definitely going to be C, C++, Java, JavaScript for front end interfaces, C, C++, obviously for algorithms, and data structure, all these things, all the data that's going to come, about the Web3 also, all these things. So programmers will be required for these four things what I mentioned. So it's going to be playing a major role in the metaverse for the programmers. So it's not like we are not going to have any opportunity. Definitely we are going to have an opportunity in the metaverse, but it's all about how we acquire this opportunity. So don't worry, I'll be bringing a video on all of these things, how you guys can get into this metaverse, how you can be a part of it and gain the maximum profit, because that's what end of the day everyone wants, the profit that you have gained, right? And the enjoyment or the joy what you get from this metaverse. So don't worry, I'll be bringing a specific video on that. This video is all about the basic things about how metaverse is going to help the programmers. Is it really going to help? And you got your answer. It's yes, it's definitely going to help, because metaverse is going to be the reality that we are going to watch within few more years. And you have already noticed Mark Zuckerberg has already put his hand into the metaverse, the meta what he has brought. So slowly they are going to come. Microsoft, Bill Gates, Microsoft is already putting his hands. Xbox, mainly Xbox, they have started with it. So we are going to see a lot of changes that are going to come. PlayStation have already signed a contract with 2-3 companies. Tencent Gaming, that is the one who bought PUBG, Players Unknown Battleground. So they are also have put their hand into the metaverse. So many things are happening. I can say whoever are the gamers, they're going to enjoy a lot in this metaverse. So this was all about in this video, where I wanted to talk about how this metaverse concept is going to help. And I hope that you like this video, because this is the first video that I'm doing. It's something different from what I usually do. I basically teach about programming and stuff, and a little bit facts here and there what I speak, but this video is completely about facts, about things that are going to come into reality, what I spoke about. And as I mentioned, I'll be bringing more videos on that. I hope you like that also. You'll be getting to know when I'm bringing that. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you liked it. Make sure you like the video, or make sure if you have your friends who are interested in the metaverse concept, who want to learn about this, share them. Make sure you subscribe, click the notification as I mentioned before, so you stay tuned for the upcoming videos which I'm going to bring. And that's it for today guys. Happy coding. Stay tuned, take care, have a great day. Till then guys, peace out and bye.